short movie will take you through the steps on how to override your base rate using the control panel. This feature allows you to add or subtract a percentage or dollar figure to the current base rate. When we speak of the base rate, this relates only to the daily amount you have entered into the rate table. When rates are overridden using the control panel, the rates availability chart will display the rate in red, visually indicating to you that it has been manually altered. Let's go through the steps. From your chart, select the button named Control Panel. Select the dates you wish to override your rate for. Select the property and/or categories that you wish to affect. From the Values section, choose Rate. Select to add or subtract, then enter a percentage or dollar figure to affect the rate by. Lastly, choose the rate type you wish to apply this change to. Once all sections are completed, select Apply Exit. Your chart will now display your new rate in red.